Risk disclaimer.
Hello my friend, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Alikola, aka the Forex Apostle, and in this video we're going to be looking into the Forex market for the week. I'm going to take a look into the Forex calendar and we'll look into the currency strength and see what opportunities do we have for this week. Okay, but do me a favor before we get started. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friends, and make sure you leave your comment below this video. By doing all of this, it's going to help us with YouTube algorithm. Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that and we'll dive into today's video in a second. All right, so welcome back. So looking into this week economic calendar, as you can see, today Monday, nothing really big, but by 10 a.m. There's going to be FOMC member Wallace speaks. Okay, today is a bank holiday in the United States, so the market is kind of a quiet today. A day like this, that is when traders go to swim, go for fishing, create content, read books, and so many other things, because the market is just sleeping today. So you don't expect too much of a movement today. Now tomorrow, as you can see, on Tuesday, we're going to be having Swiss franc news release. That is around 7 a.m. Nothing really big except tomorrow evening, that's on Tuesday evening, we're going to be having the Australian dollars. Okay, yes, that is a Aussie right there, Australian Bureau of Statistics. So there's going to be a news release, and that we're talking about the change in the inflation adjusted value of all goods and services produced by the economy. So looking into, if you trade Australian crosses or AUD crosses, then if you trade Asia market on Tuesday, this would be a good opportunity for you if you are a news trader. Then on Wednesday, there's going to be very early on Wednesday, if you are in US, there's going to be ECB President Lagarde speaks. So that definitely will move for Euro crosses, and of course, when that happens, we will also experience some movement in some indices. And on Wednesday, same Wednesday, Bank of Canada rate statement. So we'll be expecting Canadian dollars crosses like a USD, CAD, GBPUSD, you know, and even crude oil. You'll be expecting all of that to respond to this news release. As I always say, if you are a technical trader like me, you don't have the time to be reading the news immediately the news is released. You just want to see how the market responds to the news. So on Thursday, there's going to be ADP, okay, non-farm employment change, which definitely will move Euro, USD, and some major currencies, currency pairs, and of course the indices. Then on Friday, non-farm payroll. So we expect that the unemployment rate, the non-farm employment change on Friday morning, that's going to be a very volatile day. So if you don't know how to trade the news, the best thing to do is to stay off the news. Okay, and then maybe when the fireworks calm down, then you can just start trading, or just take the day off. So let's quickly look into the currency strength for the week. Apparently today being an holiday that I'm creating this video, this currency strength will not be a correct one. So when the market volatility kicks in or resumes, then definitely we're going to see a lot of changes right here. But for now, looking into this, you can see Japanese yen is weak and Canadian dollars is strong. Euro also is strong. Aussie dollar is strong. USD is weak. So GBP is flat right now, NZD is flat. So looking into this week, except anything changes, looking into selling, okay, selling JPY, selling JPY. So that simply means that the courses like USDJPY will still remain bullish this week, except anything changes, because even though USD also is weak, but of course is stronger than JPY. So you can see that. So that is why you can still experience some bullish movement in USDJPY. Then currency pairs like USDJPY, we expect it to go up. Why looking into that? Because you remember, you buy the strength, okay, you buy the strength and you sell the weak, okay. You buy the strength and you sell the weak. So that is what we do. So apparently this particular currency strength, we look for it to change by Wednesday, when some of the news that we've talked about are released. So let's quickly go to our chart and then just take a look at the market for the week. Let's use a naked chart. So let's start from a GBPUSD. So as you can see right now, GBPUSD, has been down, okay, for a while. So let's see, has been down for a while. Right now, making its way up, but I will say that we are bullish on the GBPUSD yet, because it can come right to this, to this area, and still bounces back right there. It can come right here, okay, and still bounces back from this place. So we only resume up movement if we are able to break this. Remember, this is the lower low that it broke before it gets to this area, right? So it has already broken this area, okay, move up right there. We are in this area to right now. So if it can break this trend line, then we'll be expecting around this area right now for GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, when you look at overall trend, is still downward, but then we are having this pullback, and this pullback can get up to this area, and that's what I said. When you are trading these pairs, you have to be very, very careful. Remember what we just looked at. GBP is flat. GBP is flat. USD is weak. So when you look at that, being flat simply means that this is stronger than USD, and that is why we are having this movement right now. But if you want to hold any buy position, you have to trade this on a lower time frame, like 1 hour. So if you go to 1 hour, of course you will have a lot of opportunities. But remember that this is on 4 hours that we are looking at right now. So if you zoom out, you can see, you zoom in, you can see where we are right now. So it's climbing up, but then it's not ready for, up movement. So if we are able to break this trend line, then we'll be looking into this area, this area right there. Okay, so that is exactly what I will be looking into. But I will not be too, if you have missed the buying opportunity right here, if you have missed the buying opportunity right here, okay, of course, if you look at it very well, you will see that bullish engulfing candle right there. You see right there that candle. So that candle is the one that was actually responsible for all the movement, and you can see all this inside bar, So if you have missed, like we have the higher high, higher low, you see higher high, higher low right there. So be very careful. You can see this pin bar also forming right there with GBPUSD. Okay, so anything we talk about GBPUSD is indirectly responsible for other ones. Like right now, GBPAUD is kind of flip-flopping. As you can see, it's ranging right there. So for us to actually have a clear move direction, we either have to break out upward or break out downward on GBPAUD. Then GBPJPY. Remember, our JPY is weak, so GBP is stronger than it, and that is why you also have this movement. But then when you look at overall trend, what will you say? This is not uptrend for GJ, okay? GBPJPY, you can see it goes up. So if we pick, let's pick our Fibo tool and draw it up right there. So you can see where we are right now. So you can see where we are right now. So I won't be surprised if it bounces back at this particular 38.2, because look at it. We are actually down. I mean, right here, this pullback right there is downward. Okay, so we can pull back from here. Okay, and we'll begin to find our way back up. But if it breaks this 38.2, then we'll be looking at this 23.6 right there. Okay, so let's continue. The same thing you just have to consider for the rest of GBP. I'm going to look into Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. Remember, we are on 4 hours time frame. So Euro USD is down. Then we are having this pullback also. If you zoom out very well, you will see where we are. So if you still draw the trend line right here, this is where we are right now. Okay, this is where we are right now. So I won't be surprised if it gets to this trend line and bounces back also. Okay, I can get to that place, or taking a look at this resistance area. Okay, you can get to that place and okay, bounces back again. So pretty much this week can look a little bit kind of relaxed until Wednesday. Anything after Wednesday, then we'll begin to look into serious trade. The same thing here. Take a look at USDJPY. USDJPY is definitely up. What we are seeing right now is a pullback. The same thing is a USDJPY. USDJPY right now, I mean, man, this is very crazy. It's been a nice ride for UJ. I mean, USDJPY. Take a look at this. If you are able to, pick this trend, come on, that is over 1,600 pips. Over 1,600 pips. And I don't think we are done yet. Okay, we are not done yet, because I can see this inside bar right there now. Okay, forming for USDJPY. So if you look for a trade opportunity, this is one right here. Okay, you see that momentum candle? Let me zoom in. So you can actually enter your buy right there and have your stop loss. This will be your stop loss. And where I'll be looking forward to take profit to USDJPY will be somewhere around here. Because with the way it's going right now, I mean, take a look at that. It has broken out from this. So we have that breakout from that inside bar. Okay, we have that breakout. And all things being equal, I will be looking forward for us to get to that place or get back to where we were before on a USDJPY. Okay, so let's take a look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ has been doing well for the past few days, but this is a new week, and we are not bullish yet. I mean, indices, we are not bullish yet. We are not bullish yet. As you can see, we are still down. Okay, before we can say, okay, yeah, let's start to look for buying opportunity, we have to break this area. Okay, I mean, remember, this resistance area that we broke and now became support. Now we have to break that again, or the way I'm looking at it, this can come over here, and before we know it, bounces back again and begin to, come back to retest this area. And if it breaks out from that area, come back, retest, then therefore means that we're looking forward to come over there. So if you are trading indices, just be very careful. And number one, I won't trade indices on higher time frame. This is on daily time frame now. If you trade it on, let's say, 15 minutes, 1 hour, then you, of course, because anything can change within a twinkle of an eye. Okay, so this, I mean, the market these days is very volatile. But then remember very well, it's not how fast, but it's how well. Okay, forex trading is not get rich quick scheme like many people look at it. It's get rich slowly. Get rich slowly. I mean, make sure that you are applying strict tight money management. Be very strict with your rules. Follow the rules, and I think you will be fine. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, once again, please do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and of course, if there's any currency pairs you want us to include with our weekly analysis, do me a favor, leave it at the comment, and I promise you we will do just that. Okay, thank you so much once again. This is your friend, the Forex Apostle. I will see you in my next video.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.